We are Pantex and Y-12. Every day, we handle the most powerful materials on the planet. We cast uranium, synthesize high explosives, and machine precision parts. We produce the materials that keep our nation free. We focus every day to stay safe, healthy, and secure. We engineer innovative solutions and develop the technologies that push us into the future. We make the right decisions for the right reasons, taking care of the taxpayer dollars entrusted to us. We are hands-on. In everything we do, we seek better ways to get the job done. Absolute quality, zero defects, is the goal in every component we deliver, document we produce, and action we perform. We recognize that quality doesn't happen by accident. It's a conscious decision we make each day, in every task. We know before we do. We set high standards and own the outcome of our actions. We pay attention to detail, every last detail. We're always pursuing improvements because good enough is never good enough for the people who depend on us, our families, our friends and neighbors, our nation. At the end of the day, this is more than just a job. At Pantex and Y-12, we deliver our mission with precision and pride. America's nuclear security is safe in our hands.